Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be giving a new 2024 IRS tax refund update, you guys. Well, I wanted to tell you guys that 2024 the IRS tax refunds are about to get worse. And I'm going to share information on why it's about to get worse in this video, you guys. Well, you also know in October, you guys, a lot of you are already experiencing delays. You already are experiencing tax refund delays. We already know a lot of you have told me that you're experiencing delays with your refund. And we also know that October is going to be the last month to get in your filing for those of you who haven't already filed your tax return yet for 2024. This is going to be the time to make sure, you guys, that you get it in, okay? If you haven't already got it in, okay? So those of you who haven't got it in, this is why it's going to be worse, you guys. So a lot of you already have told me that you already delayed. It's going to be worse because people are still filing. It's going to be more people filing because October going to be the last month. So they're going to be getting in and they're going to be pressing it back. Also, I want to share with you guys some more information with you guys about this. The reason why it's getting worse. And I'm finna enlarge my screen. If you have any questions during this live video, make sure you drop your comments down. I welcome you to the live video, okay? So I'm enlarge my screen. This is strictly from the IRS site, you guys. The reason I'm sharing this is the IRS updated this during the summer. You guys, it's delays in resolving identity theft cases are causing a lot of delays, you guys. It says when the IRS rejects a taxpayer's return because an identity theft previously filed a fraudulent return using the taxpayer personal identifying information, the IRS freezes the second return so it can sort out which taxpayer is the legitimate one. So how did this affect you guys who've been in delays? Well, it's a lot of people. The reason they are delayed, and I'm gonna be discussing some more, you guys, going over some more, is because of that, resolving the identity theft. You notice as of, this is posted on the IRS site in this summer, but it's noted, it says as of April of 2024, the IRS was taking more than 22 months to resolve identity theft victims assistance cases, plus several weeks to issue refunds, and it has approximately 500,000 unresolved cases in its inventory. Now, I know some people have already commented on my live video and said they had problems with this. So this is why I'm sharing with you guys with this on the video, you guys. So if you are a person that is experiencing that identity theft, it's gonna take a while for them to resolve it because there's so many people, you guys, that are going through this, okay? So I wanted you to be aware of that. Also, you know, that I'm finna put on the screen as well, that for those of you who don't know, the reason your tax return is delayed is because it has mistakes in it. It's missing information, suspicious activity by banks. The banks have been rejecting some taxpayers' tax the tax refund check, and it's getting sent back to the IRS, you guys, and have to get issued back out. A lot of you are experiencing that as well. So that's why a lot of things are beginning to get worse, you guys, in 2024, because again, it's the identity theft with all of those backlog of identity theft that people are going through. That's why it's going to be worse. We have people that are going to be filing in October, and that's gonna, for those of you who haven't already got your tax refund, it's gonna be another pile of tax refunds coming up for those of them who are filing late in October, you guys. And then because of a lot of you are getting, you saying that y'all filed a direct deposit, you guys, and then it got rejected by a bank, and then it got sent back to the IRS, and then they have to issue it back to you. Some of you selected paper, that y'all use paper tax returns, or you selected a paper check, and it takes up to 20 weeks or more, you guys, to receive it. So that's why you're seeing a lot of delays, you guys, in tax returns, in tax refund mistakes, identity theft, missing information, is problems, is also, that I discussed last time, is also, you guys, problem with those of you who with the wage information from your employer. Either they put in the wrong social security number, or they did something wrong, and that's why you're experiencing delay with your tax return. And I also told y'all in the last video to make sure, if you're experiencing that, which is a lot of taxpayers that are experiencing that, to make sure you get with your employer regarding that, to see that they put in the right information. Did they put in the right social security number? They sent in the right information, so your tax transcript can get updated. If you have any questions, you have any comments during this live video, and even after this live video, make sure you comment down and let me know. Now, for those of you who having problems with your tax return, I've been seeing so many people saying stuff. Make sure, if you have a tax preparer, and the reason I'm bringing this up, some people do have tax preparers, and they be asking me questions. And some have told me in my comments that the tax preparer filed and it wasn't supposed to file, or they filed the wrong credits. You need to listen, you guys, you need to get with your tax preparer and see what's going on, okay? Check to see what's going on with your tax refund, the reason why they place that information on there. If you cannot talk to your tax preparer, or they don't went ghost on you, you guys, make sure you go to IRS.gov, okay? Go to IRS.gov, you can get your transcript, get access to your transcript regarding stuff you need, if you need stuff for college, and also if you need to contact the IRS to see what's going on with your refund. Don't be afraid also, you guys, to reach out to that taxpayer advocate, okay? I shared the taxpayer advocate website last time I went live last week, and I'm sharing it again. They have a lot of information, you guys, on that website, sharing about the review letters and why it's on hold and what you need to do. Now, I also got helpful information on my channel regarding review letters. For those of you who need help with review letters or anything else, go to my playlist and you will find more information as well on there. If you feel like your tax preparer is not working with you, you're not getting anything from the IRS, you guys, you're not getting anything from the taxpayer advocate, because they said sometimes the taxpayer advocate is not helping them. So what you need to do is contact your state congressman. I had a video and I explained it step by step. It's on my playlist as well. It's also on the 2024 live videos on the IRS tax refund updates. But you can't go to my playlist and it shares about the state congressman. So all this information, you guys, and I'm sharing, I hope it helps you, you guys, and help you understand why it's delayed, okay? Again, if you have any questions or you have any comments, don't be afraid to ask, okay? Drop them down and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? And y'all have a great day.